Hey guys, as you may have noticed in my previous videos, I have this bare wall on this side and I wanted to decorate it with something. I bought this affordable pegboard from Shopee and this will help you maintain a clean and organized workplace or storage area. But is it reliable for hanging your stuff and worth buying? Let's find out. As of the making of this video, you can buy this pegboard for only 139 pesos per panel. Per panel, it has a size of 28 cm in length and width. So there's a big difference in price between these pegboards and the ones from Ikea, which cost around 900 to 1,500 pesos on their official website. I bundled this pegboard with these accessories. We have this storage box for pens and stuff, 2 sets of multi-purpose L hooks for my keyboards, a multifunctional bracket for my books, and multi-purpose hooks for my headsets and other stuff. So my total spent was only 1,001 pesos. For colors, it's also available in black. Its quality is impressive. This pegboard is made of hard plastic, making it sturdy and well built. They have many accessories you can choose from, like this long storage box, partition storage box, multi-clip, and many more. So per panel, it has a manual, 2 adhesive mounts, and nails. Hitch these 2 adhesives at the back of the panel and remove the plastic cover to install them. You may use a hair blower to reheat the adhesives for a stronger hold as instructed. Then stick it to the wall and hold for 1 minute. After that, you can remove the panel and stick the adhesive well. So right, let's now hang the accessories. There you go guys, I'm pretty satisfied with this. I saved a lot of money, it is worth the price, it's easy to install, and I would definitely recommend this. So that's all, the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.